Jumpstart Drops is a great way of actually getting tools and scripts for your hybrid multi-cloud and edge environment, focusing on the Azure Adaptive Cloud with technologies such as Azure Arc, Azure Local, Azure IoT Operations, and much, much more. So these can be things which either people from the community or Microsoft share with you, or you can also share your own tools and scripts as well with the community to help each other out here. So again, these can be things, certain artifacts like scripts, tools, applications, dashboards, architecture diagrams, you name it. You can really share your own stuff here as well, or consume what others have created. So let's have a quick look here at the Jumpstart Drop website. So as you can see here, there is a gallery of already included Jumpstart Drops, right? So you can see here what people have created and like what you actually need. So if you scroll down here, you can see we have a ton of different solutions out there for Azure Arc, Azure Local, IoT, and much, much more. If you want to look at this, you can also go and obviously just use the search bar here to actually search for what you're looking for. Or you can use these filters here depending on the product you're looking for. So if you have things like for Azure Monitor, you can also look at the different languages. So if you're looking for a specific PowerShell script, you could filter for this. There's also some, like see if it's a beginner, medium, or advanced drop. And then you can also see here other topics, like if it's focused on AI, Kubernetes, IoT, and much, much more. And then also obviously the type. So if you're looking for a sample app here, you can filter for this as well. So again, in my case, we would just search, for example, here for, let's say we want to look for Windows Server extended security updates. So I'm just doing ESU in this case, and I can see here there are two very interesting drops here for me available. So one is saying, hey, we have here a Windows extended security update dashboard, or then here a thing which we're, hey, manage extended security updates licenses at scale. So let's have a look at the dashboard one. So it filters for this one, created in this case by Sarah Lean. So if you click on this drop, you see here the flyout, which will then help you, like give you a little bit of a description here. There's even a nice print screen on what you're actually going to see. It's like describe what's going to show there, what is included in this drop, and you can also see here, like for example, the prerequisites you have, and then how you get started with this specific drop and how you can use it. In the background, this is all stored in a Git hub repository, so you can click on this specific link. This will open up directly to this Git repository, and this can be a Git repository by a community member, or it can be the official Arc Jumpstart Drops Git repository as well. So again, you can then have a look at this, and if you click, for example, here on the index.html page, you see here the same information you just saw in this flyout here as well. So if I go back, you can also go and, for example, download that drop. That will download all the specific files in that specific drop. Again, could be scripts, could be graphics. In this case, it's more a tutorial with print screens, right? And then there's much more you can use there. So again, you can download it. You can also share it with someone else if you think that should be shared. You can also go and obviously create your own drop right directly here from this button.